Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Motorola Edge 40. And to do this, we'll need to find the SIM slot on this device, and there is one right here on the bottom. So let's remove the case. Use the SIM needle to open the slot. And inside there's one SIM slot, but on the other side there's no slot. So this means this phone does have the one SIM slot, and you probably can set up the eSIM on it, but that's not the physical slot that we were checking for. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.